Yo, what's up, y'all? Check this out. Bike a little dirty. Busa. It's clean though. I like the work he did. It just need to be cleaned up. But I like the work he did with the gator seats and stuff like that. Stretched it out. Put the big tire on it. Look like he went bigger than what it normally is. Look at what the Busas. Yeah, I thought so. He didn't put his back brakes on. I think he did pretty good work. I like it. Still got a little more work to go. He got to put the front brakes on over here. He changed the rims. Before I get, yeah. Did pretty good work. It's a Busa though. But he still got some work to go on it. Gonna be a nice bike though. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe.